Well, we came out this afternoon on Sunday to 8 healthy, tiny little baby piglets. Martha was actually, I think she had rolled into a hole that she had dug over here. I just gave her some scraps to replenish some energy. But she had kind of rolled over here. She was belly up, and the piglets were climbing all over her. But it was pretty comical. So we have eight little baby piglets. They've been feeding really well. She's been very gentle around them. This is her first time, of course, being a mother, Martha. She seems to be doing well. Everything, we weren't even here, didn't even know, and it seems like they all are very, very healthy little guys. So I haven't checked to see how many male and female we have yet, but man, are they the coolest little pigs. They don't seem to care about the heat lamp. I tried to set them underneath the heat lamp to make sure that they were warm enough, but they didn't really care. They just want to be by mama, and that's totally fine. She seems to be pretty gentle around them, like she's being careful not to roll over on them or anything like that when she's feeding them. She's really watching and paying attention to where they are and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. She's very protective. She goes and checks on them whenever I'm in here. Makes a lot of noise, but she seems to be fine around me. We get in here with her. It's all right. Good job. You did good. You did good, buddy. Well, Martha seems to be doing all right with these guys. She tries to kind of herd them together, and she's being pretty careful not to step on them and squish them. So hopefully she'll take good care of them overnight. I really don't have anything else I can do for them. I moved the heat lamp over here because they just keep nesting up over here, and they keep nesting up with her, and they've just completely abandoned the little thing I built. So that was kind of a waste, I think, but they may use that after today. She really does seem to try to guide them. Like this one's over here, so she'll kind of yell at it and move it around to the other side before she rolls over and stuff. So hopefully they'll be all right. There's nothing really else I can do besides leave it in her hands to mother them. So they are the absolute tiniest little piglets. Oh, you be quiet. I'm a little bit worried that they don't stay warm enough tonight. It's supposed to get down to about 45, 46 degrees, but I don't know, they seem to be doing all right. So I'll trust that they'll cuddle up and stay warm enough with the mom here, and hopefully the heat lamp will at least give them some extra warmth if they need it over here. All they want is food. It'd take her a while to get rolled over, but she's pretty careful not to squish any of them, so we'll just uh-oh, he's stuck on his back. It's all right. I'm making her a little nervous, I think, by being in here, so she... Looks like she's feeding them well. Well, it's morning, and so far everybody seems to be doing pretty good out here. Still 8 piglets, and nobody's hurt, and they don't seem to be too cold. They weren't even over here sleeping by the heat lamp. They were over here just cuddled up with her over in this area. So heat lamp's way over here. So she seems to be doing a pretty good job at feeding them and being careful not to crush them, which is kind of the biggest concern. So we'll see how they continue to do. We'll keep checking on her and watching them. One of the reasons we bought this breed of pig was because they are supposed to be, you know, good mothers, and even though, you know, many people even raise the males and the females together, you know, their whole lives, and even when the females have babies, the males are still with them and they do okay. I don't have that much faith in our boar. He's kind of nippy sometimes, so you know, we'll keep them separate for now, but it's been an exciting day here for sure. So 8 little babies. Okay, all right. She doesn't seem to mind if I handle them as long as they don't make too much noise. Some of these guys have little pink noses, and some of them have a few little white spots on their feet too, so they're not all exactly solid black, which is kind of neat. We'll see how they turn out, but exciting stuff. We have 8 new baby pigs on the farm today, and hopefully many more to come. Oh, she sees a cat in here. Cookie dough. Don't worry, I got rid of the cat. I was bummed that I didn't catch the whole birth on camera. It would have been neat to see, but it was actually unexpected. She wasn't showing any of the signs in the morning that she was getting ready within hours to give birth. So it was kind of a shock to us. She hadn't nested. She hadn't changed any of her behavior. She was doing the same thing she'd done all week. So it just happened. So, you know, it's sometimes how things work out here. Next babies we'll be having here will be baby goats. There'll be lots of baby goats coming in the next 30 days, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in the animal operation here. But we'll bring you guys along in a few weeks for the piglets and give you an update on how they're all doing. And we'll keep an eye on old Martha here. Maybe get her out onto some pasture so she gets a little more fit. You can't even tell she had babies, really. We'll close with a few more shots of the baby pigs here. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.